Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and detailed product reviews. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best capybara hat on the market, the InnoBeta Capybara Gifts Cap for capybara lovers. Whether you're looking for a fun, unique accessory or a thoughtful gift for a capybara enthusiast, this hat promises to deliver both style and comfort. Right from the start, this cap stands out thanks to its charming and witty design. Featuring a beautifully embroidered capybara pattern accompanied by the playful quote, "Don't worry, be cappy," it instantly brings a smile and a bit of personality to your outfit. The design strikes a perfect balance between cute and humorous, making it a conversation starter wherever you go. Moving on to the material, the hat is crafted from 100% cotton denim, which is known for its durability and breathability. This ensures the cap is comfortable to wear, even during warm weather or long hours outside. The fabric's breathability is enhanced by ventilation eyelets that help keep your head cool, making it suitable for all seasons. Whether you're out for a casual walk, attending a fun outdoor event, or just running errands, this hat will keep you comfortable and dry thanks to the absorbent sweatband inside. One of the best features of this InnoBeta Capybara hat is its adjustable size. It fits head circumferences ranging from 21.65 to 23.62 inches, thanks to a sturdy metal buckle that allows for a secure and customized fit. This makes it versatile enough to accommodate different head sizes, which is perfect if you're buying it as a gift and aren't exactly sure about the recipient's size. The cap's brim measures 2.75 inches, providing just the right amount of shade to protect your eyes from the sun without obstructing your view. It's practical for outdoor activities yet stylish enough for everyday casual wear. Despite its playful design, this hat doesn't compromise on quality or comfort. The cotton denim feels soft against the skin and offers a nice balance of structure and flexibility, allowing it to maintain its shape while adapting comfortably to your head. From an aesthetic point of view, the black color of the hat adds a sleek, versatile look that pairs well with a wide range of outfits. Whether you prefer sporty, casual, or even quirky fashion, this cap fits seamlessly into your wardrobe. InnoBeta has imported this cap and paid close attention to detail, ensuring a high-quality finish. The embroidered design is neat and vibrant, showcasing the capybara in a charming way that stands out without being overly flashy. Overall, this cap is a fantastic blend of fun, functionality, and quality. It's an ideal gift option for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion for those who love capybaras or enjoy unique accessories. It's lightweight, weighing just over 3 ounces, which adds to the comfort, and the hand-wash-only care instructions help maintain its condition over time. If you're looking for a capybara hat that combines humor, quality materials, comfort, and an adjustable fit, the InnoBeta Capybara Gifts Cap should definitely be on your radar. It offers a fresh take on a classic baseball cap with a distinctive twist that capybara fans will appreciate. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest takes on interesting products, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.